Every step in the history of intelligence has been an energy shift. Biological brains were only possible because evolution found a way to concentrate chemical energy into neurons that fire reliably at low cost. Civilization only took off once we learnt to burn wood, then coal, then oil to create surpluses. And the age of digital intelligence only exists because we built data centers that convert raw electricity into structured thought. GPT models are huge, but what they are really doing is turning megawatts into probability distributions. The result looks like intelligence, but the foundation is power. Right now, we are running up against the ceiling. Training frontier models is becoming one of the most energy-intensive activities on the planet. Data centers are already straining national grids, and every new generation demands more. Companies are buying entire power stations because the old model of adding servers and hoping the grid keeps up simply cannot work. The algorithms are no longer the bottleneck. The bottleneck is the physics of how much energy we can generate and move and cool. This is why the future of AGI and the future of energy are the same story. If compute scales exponentially, but power supply scales slowly, then intelligence will hit a hard limit that no optimization can overcome. The only way to push past that limit is a new source of energy that behaves more like code than coal. Something abundant, stable, clean, and capable of expanding in step with computing. That search leads to one option: fusion. Fusion is not just a better power source. It is a structural shift in what intelligence can become. A data center supplied by fusion is no longer constrained by regional grids or fossil bottlenecks. You can scale compute without political friction, without carbon cost, and without the fragile logistics of pipelines and mining. A stable fusion loop means a stable intelligence loop. Training becomes faster, models become bolder, experimentation becomes cheaper, and iteration becomes constant. The power that drives stars would drive the act of thinking. This changes the economics too. Intelligence becomes an energy-priced commodity. The cost of running AGI becomes the cost of keeping a reactor stable. The organizations that control fusion do not just power cities, they power thought itself. Nations that fail to solve fusion will depend on those that do, and the intelligence gap that follows could be wider than anything in history. The most overlooked point is that energy does more than feed compute. It creates the conditions for agency. An AGI that can expand its own power supply is an AGI with genuine leverage. That is where the alignment question intersects with the energy question. An AI that controls its energy is fundamentally stronger than one that depends on human-built grids. That means the design of future reactors matters not just for climate or economy, but for safety. The more stable the energy system, the more stable the intelligence that depends on it. You can already see the convergence beginning. Fusion companies are building reactors sized for data centers, not cities. AI labs are modeling plasma behavior with neural networks. National energy investment is being justified in terms of compute security. None of this is accidental. The people working at the frontier know that AGI is impossible without an energy revolution, and that the energy revolution may arrive only because AGI helps build it. So the missing piece of AGI is not consciousness or intent or creativity. It is power. Real physical power measured in megawatts and joules, not metaphors. Intelligence is an energy system that happens to think, and the next leap in intelligence will come from the next leap in energy. If fusion succeeds, AGI arrives sooner. If it fails, AGI stalls. The destiny of artificial thought is tied to the destiny of the machines that light up the grid. And the moment we unlock a sun on Earth, the boundary of what intelligence can become moves far beyond anything we currently imagine. If you want deeper dives into the forces shaping the future, join the channel. It helps the work reach more people, and it tells me to make more of these long-form investigations. If you want to go further, the Patreon community gets early access behind-the-scenes research and upcoming project notes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.